Here's what I pack you for lunch based on your zodiac sign. Today we're doing Virgos. Okay Virgos, so since you were named after the goddess of flowers, I chose that as my theme today. Then I'll give you some little DIY Lunchables because you like to do things your way. And this way you can assemble it just the way you like it. I'll also give you some grapes and a little salad because we like to stay healthy. And some vanilla yogurt with some very neatly arranged sprinkles on top. Then as a snack, I'll send you with a little healthy granola bar. And as your treat, I'll give you 2 little Smarties because you are so intelligent and such a deep thinker. Then along with your lunch, I'll make sure that I include your little salad dressing, as well as a hand sanitizer because we like to stay very clean. And then for all the little anxious Virgos, your note today says, do not worry, do not stress, you are already doing your best. And of course, before I send you off to class, I know you like to stay organized, so I'll make sure I give you your little pencil pouch with all your things inside. And to drink, because we were probably up late last night overthinking, I'll pack you an energy drink. Let me know what sign you'd like to see next.